and it was dry as well, so no need to worry about any of the rain. And you know, tomorrow's still dry, no need to worry about the rain.
You need to enjoy that though.
Enjoy it because Saturday, any travel that's going on is going to be impacted, especially anyone heading north, say towards like the Midwest, looking at Chicago, Illinois, you know, Indiana. We're looking at some snow, but not the case here. Here's what you need to know. We're going to be dealing with scattered rain Friday night into Saturday. That's why we have a WFA weather alert. It'll be the coldest air of the season that arrives shortly after that rain moves out. Mostly dry next week, but next week we're also looking at very cold weather. Right now, no weather-related delays at DFW Airport, temperature of 59 degrees. Here's that WFA weather alert that I've been telling you about. Told you this at the top of the hour, but we are expecting scattered rain. That's your impact. With some thunderstorms, you could very well see some gusty winds and some lightning. This could impact holiday travel, any shopping you've got going on this weekend, or any weekend activities. Make sure to have a way to stay updated. Download the WFA Plus app if you haven't already done so. It's free on your TV. You can get the latest forecast from us around the clock. You want to make sure to grab the rain gear and then grab the heavy coats. You're going to need them. Don't say I didn't warn you. Let me talk about the rain first. This is around 7 p.m. Friday. Friday throughout the day, you're going to notice more cloud cover, but this is in the evening. You'll start to see some scattered showers, mainly along our western counties. Friday night, you see slightly higher rain coverage, and this will be really into the overnight, closer to about 40% coverage for us. I'm not even expecting thunderstorms at this point, but we could see a few pockets of heavier rain and a rumble or two of thunder, but we're not expecting widespread storms. Okay, by Saturday morning, this is around 7. You're going to see a little more activity, especially in the eastern half of North Texas. We'll continue to see the scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms through midday. This is around noon on Saturday, and look at that front working its way in. Behind the front, completely dry. So once that front swings through, which for the Metroplex will be sometime between 3 and 4, it's going to help push a lot of this rain towards the southeast. Now in the afternoon, if you are traveling towards Houston, you could very well encounter a strong storm. We will be in the clear from that threat just because of the timing of the front. But once that front pushes its way towards east to southeast Texas, it could help really enhance some of those thunderstorms. I'm not expecting widespread severe weather, but one or two thunderstorms could very well ramp up. Then by Sunday morning, we are looking at cloudy conditions. We're not picking up a lot of rain between Friday night and Saturday, anywhere between 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain, slightly higher amounts for our eastern counties. Our high temperature tomorrow will be about 58, 68 on Saturday before that front moves in. Look at what that front does. Drops our high temperature on Sunday to 45 degrees, 43 on Monday, 48 on Tuesday. These are high temperatures. Let me show you what Sunday morning will look like. 34 in Dallas, 33 in Fort Worth. A few locations could very well see temperatures that are slightly below that freezing point of 32 degrees. Any sensitive plants need to come inside by Sunday morning. Look at the wind chill Sunday morning, mid-20s. I wouldn't be surprised if some locations near the Red River get into the teens when we're talking about the wind chill. So rain Saturday, very cold on Sunday. The cold continues through early parts of next week. Let's talk travel. On Friday, if you're heading towards west or southwest Texas, you'll run into some of that rain. For the rest of the state, just looking at some cloud cover. Saturday is really that day where we'll see slightly higher coverage of rain across the state. So again, if you're heading towards the Houston area, coming back from the Houston area on Saturday, that's really where you're going to be running into some problems. Or maybe if you're heading towards the Texarkana, anywhere to Arkansas, Louisiana, or back, you're going to be running into that rain. On Sunday, most of the rain completely out, just the cloud cover, and a lot cooler conditions out there as well. So for tonight, temperature drops to 42 degrees. It won't be feeling too bad tomorrow, a high near 58, really similar to today, just a little more cloud cover for us. And on that 14-day forecast, we're looking at, again, a very, very sharp cool down between Saturday and Sunday. We're seeing temperatures drop over 20 degrees. Well, we'll definitely stay in the 40s Monday, Tuesday. We could even see a little shower on Monday, but overall, staying mostly dry after Saturday's rain over the course of the next couple of weeks.